Can you solve this difficult PSLE question? So the question goes, in the figure, there are two identical right angle triangles. The total area of the shaded parts is 96 centimeters square. Find the area of the unshaded part. So if I were to split them up, it would look something like this. So you could see that they are two identical triangles. So the two sides will also be the same. Then if you were to just focus on one triangle, what do you think the equation for the unshaded part area? So if you were to put in into like an equation in some plain English, what it will look like is unshaded area is equal to triangle area, the whole triangle, minus the shaded area. So the triangle area, if you were to put it down, is half times base times height. And is equal to half times what do you think the base is? So the base is 10 centimeters. So that will be 10 multiplied by the height. So what do you think the height is? The height is 15 centimeters. So if we were to calculate it, so half times 10 is 5 times 15 will be 75 centimeter square. So if we were to swap it into the equation, the unshaded area is equal to 75 centimeter square minus shaded area. So we already have the first triangle down. Let's move on to the next triangle. So what do you think the equation for the second triangle unshaded part area is? So it's actually around the same. Unshaded area equal to triangle minus shaded area. Then the triangle area will be half times base times height. So what do you think the base is for the second triangle? You're right, it's 15 centimeters. And what about the height? If you say 10, then you're right. And this will give us 7.5 times 10, which is also the same, 75 centimeter square. If you were to put in the area for the equation, it will look the same as what we have done earlier. And the thing is, if we combine them together, it will be 2 times the unshaded area equal to 2 times 75 centimeters square minus 2 times of the shaded area. Make sense? Then this will become 2 times unshaded area equal to 150 minus 2 times the shaded area. And actually, we know the shaded area because in the question it says the total area of the shaded part is 96 centimeters square. And 2 times of the shaded area is equal to 96 centimeters square. And if we minus 150 with 96, it will be 54 centimeters square. So now we know what is 2 of the unshaded area. Then we can just split them into 1, which is basically 54 divided by 2, which is 27 centimeters square, which is the answer. And that's how you solve this hard PSLE question.